getting started on this Rolls Royce, so it's going to be a completely different car after we're done. Stay tuned for this one.
So we got another Rolls Royce in here. This one's a Dawn. This is our good buddy Scott Storch's car. We're going to be wrapping this also in a Satin Pearl White. This one, the chromes are going to stay chrome. It's going to be all factory. We're just going to change the color of the car to Satin Pearl White. Got this brand new Wraith in, again, 300 miles, beautiful Wraith, black with this red interior. I'm really happy with the interior because of the theme we're doing on the outside. It's going to look amazing. We have some Forgiatos coming for it, 24-inch, they're new line, really nice wheels. We're gonna lower it, we're gonna do a blackout, do the half matte black top theme that we originated a long time ago. This thing is gonna look sweet when it's done. F12 we did a while back. Customer sold it to a dealer. The dealer sold it to another one of our customers. The customer has a bad tire now, so we towed it over here. We're gonna replace the tire. Has a few other little maintenance things we gotta do. So, hey, can you lube your tow truck, please?
No, I'm right there.
So we're gonna get it off the truck, put it in, and take care of this Ferrari.
You saying that the e-brake?
I know how to drive, goddammit. Alright, so this car we installed a full FI exhaust system, deleted the catalytic converters, has a button. So right now, off is going to be in quiet mode, which is pretty quiet actually. And then when you press on, is when things get crazy. You guys have heard the V12 Aventadors, Lamborghini. This is the V12 Ferrari. Completely different sounds, crazy. This thing pierces your ears. The Aventador shoots bombs. Very different, but this sounds amazing too. Yeah, crazy. I miss this thing. Right here is actually the parking brake. It's a button that you pull. They're very finicky, so you keep pulling, and then they eventually break. So right now, we took off the parking brake switch, and we're making a custom little bracket inside to fix it so it never breaks again.
Where you from, man?
I'm from Nebraska.
What are you doing out here?
I was in Sacramento, knew how to come to the OG spot.
Nice. And you got some hats.
I did. I got a bunch of hats for all my boys. Got 9 hats, 3 of every color.
Woo. We just picked up a Porsche Cayenne Turbo from a customer. It's an insurance job. The adjuster's coming tomorrow morning. It was close by, so we picked it up and ready to repair it.
What are you eating, man?
Started meal plan, trying to step it up a little bit. Eating very unhealthy, So, getting meal preps now. Get ready for summer. We got this Dawn in only 2 days ago. We ripped it apart, wrapped the Satin Pearl White. The only thing left is the front bumper now. We're gonna put that on. This car's done. We're not doing a blackout. We're not touching any of the chrome. It's crazy to keep up with all the Rolls Royces, but everything's been wrapped. We're leaving all the chrome on this one, so it's gonna be OEM, but it's gonna be Satin Pearl White. It looks amazing. We're gonna put it back together and deliver it to the customer.
He asked if the 64 Lincoln is for sale. So definitely not for sale. He wanted to see all the cars, and he wanted to buy some actually. I don't know how, but he wanted to buy a couple.
Alright, so we got another Rolls Royce. This one is going to have our signature two-tone black theme. We're currently wrapping all the accents, the chrome accents, in gloss black because the top half of the car is going to be satin black. So to have that nice contrast, we're going to play with the black color tones. Watch the progress, see how cool this thing's going to look when it's done. It's got this really nice red interior. It's got 300 miles. It's a brand new Wraith. So yeah, we're excited.
So we have a Rolls Royce here. This is just a walk-in, random customer that has a flat tire. So we're gonna go ahead and check the tire and see what we can do. These are run flat tires, special tires on these cars. They come with so you can drive that extra mile so you can get to somewhere to do the repairs or change it, of course. So we recommend changing these tires, not repairing them.
Finished up this Rolls Royce Ghost, came out with a flat tire. We replaced some that needs off again, ready to go. We don't only wrap, maintain, we do everything. We change the tire same day, and that's it. So on to the next one.
Here, yeah, literally bought like
That's what
there. Well, it was,
No,
it was
that's
very,
not even it.
That's not even the weight.
Well, how was what?
Look at the other hat.
How?
Bro.
I don't know how the fuck this thing going, man. I was wondering why it's not fitting.
There's a new way of putting it. This is the Moses way of hanging hats.
But see, I was trying to do that. You see?
What? You
Like
totally
that.
went
I
wrong.
was trying to put it that way.
You just
Put it like because it falls like that. So that's
no, it doesn't.
like this. It falls. We just hit it and it's gonna go down.
Let's see.
More black.
Let's see if the hat looks good on Moses. One lucky person will get a Moses worn hat.
Yeah.
Let's see what the hat looks like. He doesn't want to mess his hair up. Man, Moses got a haircut. Oh, damn.
Like the fade. Nice fade. Nice fade.
Silky smooth. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's see. Look.
It looks good.
Okay, take the hat off. Now look.
I gotta comb my hair.
I don't know.
No,
The hat's cool, man. Put the hat backwards. I think you have to wear the hat backwards.
I gotta go comb my hair.
Yeah, you gotta wear the hat backwards. Ooh, there we go.
I gotta
Hey,
take.
it looks good.
I gotta take care of my hair.
Ooh, keep spinning.
Keep spinning. Is it good enough? All right, let's take it out.
So here we have the factory center caps. We are changing the wheels to 24-inch. However, we're gonna be adapting the center caps from the original Rolls Royce wheel onto them. So if you guys don't know, this is obviously the floating cap factory. It goes into this. If I push it down, it'll lock in. But we removed this because we're gonna wrap this right now to match the color of the wheel, which is gonna be satin black. And then we'll put this eye on there, and the chrome will match some of the emblems. We're leaving chrome. So really, it's all about the details and making it look really clean. 24-inch Technica Forgiato wheels arrived. We did the two-tone black spec on them to go with the car. Just like the car, the center is gonna be satin black, the outside is gonna be gloss black. So it's gonna go with the theme really nice. This wheel is amazing. We're gonna also put the factory center cap on there. It's gonna look great. So right now we're gonna mount up the Pirelli rubbers and we're gonna finish up the car. Thanks everybody! Oh, fuck. Thank God we can't hear them. Alright, so we just finished up the two-tone Wraith. Satin black center, gloss black on the sides, gloss black on most of the chrome. Got the 24-inch Technica Forgiato wheels, Pirelli tires. We lowered it. Now we're test driving it, making sure it's driving good. If you lower it too much, it's very bouncy, but we know the right amount where it drives good and it looks good. Everything's functional suspension, everything looks good. This car has that beautiful red interior, so it looks amazing. We did not tint it right now. We're gonna see how it looks without the tints. It shows off the red inside, so it might be, you know, a cooler look. Customer's gonna come soon, so we're gonna take it back to the shop, wash it up, get it ready for him, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoy this one. This is one of our favorites, and keep watching. On to the next one.